and 2015 onwards, this day has been celebrating as an International Yoga Day. The first year, about 84 countries were professed this International Yoga Day. And then, team ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ. One Earth. Everybody has got only one Earth and also one life. In that life, health is very, very important. Of course, wealth is also important, but if you want to select either from health,
वराहरूपं दैववरीतं वराहरूपं दैववरीतं वरस्मितवदनम् वज्रदन्तधर रक्षाकवचम् शिवसम्भूत भुवि संजात ನಂಬಿದವಗಿಂಬು ಕೊಡುವವನೀತ ಸಾವಿರ ದೈವದ ಮನ ಸಂಪ್ರೀತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತ ನಿಂದೆವು ಆರಾ